is our mechatronics lab. It is a system that is designed to simulate a manufacturing environment. Take students in here to show them the different types of components that they might encounter in a manufacturing environment, how they all connect together, how they communicate, how they're controlled, how they operate, and how they're troubleshooted when there is a problem with them. To line up for assembly, it moves through a robot that manipulates it through certain processes. Things are inserted into it. Screws and springs are assembled together in the assembly line. Screws are tightened to proper torque tolerances. In this section here, it's moved down to a testing area. We test to make sure that the part is assembled correctly, that it's lined up and torqued to the proper tolerances. And then finally, in this last section, we go into packaging or sorting for distribution. You can take them apart. We can break them so that students can figure out where something might have gone wrong and how to logically follow through a process to troubleshoot where the error is occurring. It exposes them to all the different types of movement systems, power systems, control systems, communication systems that they would find in a manufacturing environment. Systems that we have, people love to get their hands on things and really be able to tear them apart, see how they work, put them back together again so that they function properly.